Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Steam Deck microSD step by step clearly. Begin by powering off your Steam Deck completely. Locate the microSD card slot on the top of the device. Open the protective flap covering the microSD card slot. Take your microSD card and ensure that it is properly formatted. If the card is not formatted, use a computer to format it to the exFAT file system. Gently insert the microSD card into the slot with the gold contacts facing down. Make sure the card clicks into place securely. Close the protective flap over the microSD card slot. Power on your Steam Deck using the power button. Wait for the device to boot up and load the main interface. Once the main interface is displayed, navigate to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down to Storage and select it. You should see your microSD card listed along with the internal storage options. Select the microSD card to view its details. If necessary, you may need to format the microSD card again for use with the Steam Deck. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the formatting process if prompted. After formatting, the microSD card is ready for use. You can now download and install games directly onto the microSD card. To choose the microSD card for game installs, go back to the Settings menu. Select the Storage option again. Look for the option to set your default installation location. Change the setting to the microSD card. You are now ready to start using your microSD card for additional storage on your Steam Deck. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.